Okay, this is gonna be the first time I sang this song in public. It's an old cowboy song called Old Paint. Old Paint, yeah, it's by an old black cowboy called Charley Willis. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah.